Hello, dear students. I hope you all having a nice vacation. Let's start the revision sheet with question number one. Question number one here, we have three parts for the interface. Part number one, part two, part three. Preview window will be part three. Ribbon, part one. And the navigation bar, part two. Question number two. Question number two, choose the correct answer. The purpose of the collections section is to display any pictures or music clips that have already been imported. Choice A. Okay. To add a word slide to come before a picture, before the answer A. Before the picture, title. At the end of the pictures or ending, it will be credits. If we add title for any picture, it will be caption. So the answer here is title. Question 3, to change the way one slide moves to another, transition. Answer C, transitions. The movement from one slide to another, we call it transitions. Let's see question number 4. Okay. We can test the movie by select the first slide, then start the movie from the video preview. Option D. We use graphics card to handle 2D drawing and 3D graphics. You can split the video into two clips by using split tool. This split tool can be found in Edit tab. The answer, option C. First step to add recorded audio, connect the mic. Connect the mic. The answer is option A. Connect the microphone to the computer. Question 8. Question number 8. To create a moving image, we would use pan and zoom. Pan and zoom. Moving image, not the movement from one slide to another. If we asked about the movement from one slide to another, the answer will be transitions. But here I'm asking about the moving image. So pan and zoom is the answer. While we're still working on our movie maker, we save it as still working, so it will be a project. Still working. Once we finished, it considered as movie. Question 10. One of the requirements to develop multimedia is speakers. So the speakers are considered as speakers output, but the microphone is considered as input. Here I'm asking about the speakers. So the speakers are considered as output device. In Audacity application, this tool used for record audio, not stop, not pause, not play. It's record, it's using for recording. Okay, question 12. Question 12, last question. If we want to add text to an image, we would choose caption. Yes, text to an image is considered as caption. If I asked about text before the image, title. Question 3, take true or false. You can add narration to your timeline by speaking into a microphone attached to the computer. Sure, it's right. Yes, I can add any narration. To delete any part of the timeline, we have to select it before press delete. Yes, true. Microphone is considered as audio output device. False. Microphone considered as audio input device, not output. The speakers are output, microphone considered as input. Question 4. To delete any part of the timeline, select it, then press delete. Import photo or video from device is available on File tab. False. Not File tab. It's a tool direct in the ribbon without pressing any tabs. You can control the speed of the video by selecting this tool for duration. So it can't change the speed. So it's false. I can change the background color and text color on credits. However, I can't change the font style. False. I can also change the font style. If I delete the pictures in the collection pane with a movie maker, they will go from my folder. I already from the folder imported them from to. No, false. The picture will not deleted by the original from the original imported file or folder. It's only will be deleted from the collections. Question 8. The motion applies to the individual picture itself can be applied from visual effects tab. False. Motion. Motion, it's animation. It's considered as animation. You can mute the audio of the imported video. True. So we finish true or false. Now let's see the multiple choice question. Question number 4. Choose the correct answer. The movement of one picture or video clip to another, the movement from one picture to another, it's considered as transitions. So the answer, option C, transitions. How do title and credit let you enhance your movie? By adding, option A, by adding text-based information to your movie. Question number 3. A view of the workspace that displays the sequence of your clips. Storyboard. It's not the preview window. It's not also the timeline. It's the storyboard. This is a tricky question. So please focus. A view of the workspace. When I asked you about the workspace that displays the sequence of your clips, so here I mean the collection or the storyboard. Question 4. To add picture to your movie, click on. Question 4. To add pictures. When I add picture, so I have to click on add video and photos button. Option D. We don't have any tool called import picture. Also, no capture video. The answer is D, add video and photos button. To remove parts of a clip, use remove parts, trim. The answer is option B, trim. To divide the video into two parts, the answer will be split. But here, I'm asking about remove parts. So to remove parts from the video, we have to press on trim. Okay? Last question. What does the following represent? You have here a figure. Please look at this figure and try to remember what is the purpose for this figure. We use this figure for what? For visual effects. Yes, you are true. You are right. Visual effects. You have here also the model answer. It will help you to find the answers, to check your answers. So please do your best, and I hope for you good luck in your exam. See you inshallah for the next trimester.